What's up, bitches? Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it does really help out my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. And as you can see, Revolution have launched a collection with Emily in Paris, and they've done like a normal collection and also an advent calendar as well. Today we are going to be focusing on the advent calendar, which just looks like this. It's a 12-day advent calendar and it retails for £40, $55, €49.99 or 80 Australian dollars. I'd love to know as well, have you watched Emily in Paris? I cannot wait for the new season to come out, like the cliffhanger. I won't say anything in case somebody wants to watch it, but the cliffhanger at the end of the last one, like I need to know what's going on. And because I watched the last one when like the third one came out, I think it was the third one, I binge watched all three back to back, so I was like deep in it and I was like, I want to know the next bit. And then I realised I was at the end of like all of it and had to wait for the next season, and I was gutted. I was absolutely gutted, so cannot wait for the new season to come out. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So it is like I said, a 12-day advent calendar. First up, we have a square one. Starting off strong, day number one, a palette. This is the Saint Tropez palette, which just looks like this. And then this is what the packaging looks like. And then in here we have pool party, happy place, getaway shirt, quick fix, adventure. So I have quite like a neutrally palette with like a little pop of like a goldeny, greeny colour, like in here as well. Very, very nice and wearable. Day two is another square one, like literally right next to each other. I wonder if it's going to be... It's another palette. Are you joking? Wow, okay. So we have a purple hot couture. Hot couture? I don't know, I even tried to pronounce that. And then this is what the inside of this one looks like. So we do have some neutrals in here as well, but we have a different selection of shimmers, and we have a bit more of like a reddy, orangey kind of vibe. Packaging is so cute. I literally can't believe that we've started like the first 2 days with palettes. And we've got trauma bangs, oh my god, yeah, trauma bangs, followers, bonjour, party, Paris fantasy, fall in love, le chef hot. That is for day number 2. Literally starting off with 2 bangers. Then moving on to day 3, which is a totally different shaped one. In here we have, ooh, what are you? It looks like a liquid eyeshadow. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That's so pretty. It's like a, how would I describe it? It is like a bit like a rosy gold pearlescent colour. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. And this is just what it looks like. So cute. So that is day number 3. I don't know why I thought that was going to be a lipstick, just because of the shape of it, but really happy with that. I need to get into like using liquid shadows because I'm such a baby when it comes to it. Day 4 is a long heavy one actually. The quality of this is really, really nice. What's this one? Is it a mascara? Yes, we have an Emily in Paris mascara. Let's see what the brush is like, because last year I was obsessed with the Game of Thrones mascara. This is what it looks like. And then this is the brush. Please let me know if you want me to do a video testing this advent calendar, because if you want me to, I definitely will. But just bear in mind, I have a lot of videos to get up at the moment. So that was day number 4. And then day 5 is another small box. And then in here we have, oh, it's a little bullet lipstick. This is Paris Berry Red, and this is just what the lipstick looks like. It looks very bright on camera, but it's not. It's more of like a darker, like a berry red, literally. Ooh, that formula is really, really smooth. Yeah, it literally looks like it's neon, but it is like a berry red. I hope you can see that. There. Don't know why I sniffed it. I really don't know why I sniffed it. And then day 6 is a similar size. Oh my god, I hope it's another bullet lipstick because that was really cute. Oh my god, I think it is, but it's like a pink one. Pink packaging. This one is Chicago Pink Nude. Ooh, oh, that's a bit of mine. That's a bit of mine. Get in the back of my hand, let me see what you look like. Gorge. Absolutely god, I definitely would get my use out of that compared to the brighter one, just because I am more of like a nude lipstick girly. So that's day number 6. Very happy with that. Ooh, I've just went to wipe that off just so that I didn't get it all over me. And that eyeshadow one, it started to dry down. So like I actually can't wipe it off. That one would be one for me to try, because I always found that it creases. So maybe if I applied it and then just let it dry before opening my eyes and then see if that lasts. That's one for me to try for sure. Then we have day 7, which is like something green. It's a lip liner. Oh my god. I really hope that we get matching lip liners for both the bullets, because this is Paris Berry Red, and that's what that one looks like. I love how the packaging's like all different colours, like pink, purple, green, like it's very colourful. And then literally next to it, day 8 is the same size. I bet this is the pink lip liner. Yes, it is. But in yellow packaging. I just like how colourful it is. This is the Chicago Pink Nude lip liner. Oh, such a nice formula as well. So that's the 2 lip liners. So you literally have your lip liner and your bullet lipstick in here, ready to go. You've got your little lip combo ready. Number 9 sounds like a liquid. It's really heavy as well. Oh, there's like a little bit in here to hide it. Oh my god, what is it? It's setting spray. Yes, it's a fixing spray. I absolutely love. I travel quite often with, I think it was the Game of Thrones one that I used to use. I used that one up. I think it was the Game of Thrones one from last year's advent calendar. Like, they are so good for travelling with, because it's just a nice size. Let's see if it smells of anything. No, it doesn't really smell anything in particular. Let's cheat, I'm going to try it. Oh, I know, it has got like a little bit of like a refreshing smell to it. Well, that's definitely going to end up being in my makeup bag for when I go to London. So that was day number 9, buzzing with that one. Day 10, we have a little baby one. Oh, it's a little green sponge. And then day 11 is the same size as day 9, and it is a heavy one as well. It's got a yellow lid. What is this? Oh, it's a primer. This reminds me a lot of the Game of Thrones advent calendar. Like, it has like the little pump for primer. Let's see what it's like. This is what the texture looks like. I feel like that's going to be, like a pore primer, just from the feel of it. It feels very like silicone-y pore primery. If that makes any sense. Don't think it really smells of anything. That definitely gives me like a pore filling kind of vibe. I don't know if you can see how it's like smoothed my skin. I don't know if you can see because I've got swatches on this hand. Oh my god, yeah, obsessed with that. That's so cool to have in the advent calendar. But again, I know we had one for the Game of Thrones one last year, but I'm pretty sure that was more hydrating than it was pore filling, if I remember rightly. So that is day number 11. And then last but second at least, I'm really sad that this is like the last day for this. I'm really enjoying this advent calendar. We have day number 12, which is a big one. Oh, it's lashes. Again, it really does remind me of like the Game of Thrones advent calendar, but like different, but similar idea. I don't know if that makes any sense. But these are the lashes that you get, which actually are really nice, because I'm pretty sure the Game of Thrones ones last year, I don't think they were that much of a vibe. But this is really nice, and it has like the natural like thicker bit in the outer corner as well, if you can see. So it kind of like gradually gets thicker. They're really cute. I'm honestly, like, there's no mirror in here. I feel like this is such a good value advent calendar. Like, you literally get 2 full-size palettes, 2 full-size lipsticks, full-size mascara, 2 full-size lip liners, obviously lashes, you get a mini sponge, you get a liquid shadow, a primer, and a setting spray as well. Like, that is unbelievable. I honestly cannot wait to try this stuff in here. It's really like, I don't know, it's really shocked me by how good it is. Oh, it gives a bit of information on the back. So it says matte fixing spray, so that in case you're wondering about the finish of the fixing spray. And then primer. It doesn't say anything about the primer, but it might say it on the website when it goes live anyway, in the copy description. I'll have to have a little look. But yeah, I definitely think that primer felt like it was like silicone-y. But yeah, the primer definitely felt like it was going to be pore filling. Like, you could just tell by the texture of it. But yeah, that is the Emily in Paris advent calendar that has really, really impressed me. Like, what do you think of it? Like, I think that's absolutely banging. really, really happy with that. And if you love Emily in Paris, then it's a natural go for you as well. But leave a comment down below. Let me know what advent calendar you're eyeing up this year, if you might pick this one up, or if there's any other advent calendars that you're like, Lucy, please can you do a video? So I know if I should spend my money or not. Please let me know. And I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll see you soon. Bye.